Everyone has some dream, even I have goal. Some fulfill their dreams, some fail to fulfill their dreams. Don't be panic. Keep patience. One day success will come in your way. Hi, myself Soumyajit Khan. I am from West Bengal. I have completed my BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering from JS College of Engineering in 2022. After completing my BTech, I was searching for good job. Then I had joined in eVision through online platform. eVision is an IT recruitment and good consulting company. In eVision, I had enrolled networking course on November. The teachers of their way of teaching was very helpful and motivated me. After completing my course, I have placed in QUESS Corp Limited with a package of 2.52. I am very thankful to eVision team and teachers for growth of my skills. I would say my juniors and seniors to join eVision to make your career, because eVision technology helps for your career growth. Thank you eVision, and thank you, sir.